because while the Asian market pack has actually done really well, Europe is flat, of course, the pre-markets. The Asian markets have done really well, particularly the Nikkei. We've just about languished, really. A brief bout of an uptick at the start of the trading day, which has been sold into. For now, holding out just about marginally in the green. I think led by the technology companies. So Wipro, there's HCL Tech, Infosys, and TCS. No price for guessing, really. These four are the ones which are doing extremely well for themselves in trade today and leading that bit of helping hand to the index. MotoCorp and M&M and a couple of other rate sensitives are doing okay. Mind you, there's not enough pressure on the index in today's session. So after the carnage that we saw last week, particularly exaggerated in the last couple of sessions, we're just about flat in trade. Lots of mid-caps in focus. We'll actually get one, which is Opto Circuits, in moments from now on the show as well. But that's really where a lot of action is happening in today's session. The market breadth too has worsened. It opened up with a wide gap. Right now, just about flat or even Stevens for the advances and the declines.
Absolutely, it is some of those mid-cap stocks which are really taking it in the chin. But as you pointed out, the selling pressure on account of the way the rupee is panning out is really not as aggressive. Let's pull up a Jet Airways. That counter is also bleeding in the session. Now seeing a cut of close to 11% at 405. We've spoken, and it's an immediate cut at that. In fact, the counter was holding up at levels of 463 thereabouts, and now 11%.
Yeah, I don't know really. I mean, you know, there is a meet schedule for the GOM to meet to clear the Jet Etihad deal. Now, I don't know if something to that effect is something that the market is preempting, because from what I remember, this meet is scheduled to happen today. Maybe there's a freak trade that's happened, we don't know, but no news as of now, at least on the wires or otherwise, or even on the source front. I think Ajay and Navneet will join us in moments from now. Ajay would probably have spoken to dealing rooms as well, and he'll get us a sense of what really they are talking about Jet Airways too, but nothing on the anvil that we've gotten from either the reporters or otherwise to figure out what could have happened. A sharp cut that has come into Jet Airways. Mind you, a big deal is the big event is for Jet Airways is probably tomorrow, wherein the clearance for the Jet Etihad deal could come about. Now, maybe some nervousness about that. Anything you find figuring out?
No, really nothing, because you do have that crucial meet and they're going to take that call on the Jet Etihad deal. It's been negative news for a Kingfisher Airlines, but not for this one, because even when it comes to the salary payment, etc., all of the issues seem to be rather intact. But an 8% cut, it is stabilizing, but no doubt has come as a bit of a shocker. Yes, we pointed out how Kingfisher Airlines, that one has been in a bit of a soup. Meeting was absolutely inconclusive. And you've also got a SpiceJet, mind you, not seeing that kind of an incremental damage, but yes, in the red as we speak. Yeah. So a cut of 1%.
And crude doesn't do this to airlines, you know, it doesn't make them fall so much. So, yeah, I think Spice has fallen in line with what Jet has done. But yeah, severe cut coming up in Jet Airways.